If you're looking for a light, a flush mount light, warm, medium, cool, that you can increase and decrease the lighting, you could put a night light on, shut the main light off, lower the night light, put it in the kids' room, a master room, anywhere that you need to have light in a low fashion area. I'm going to show you what this product is about. Annaror. It's a flush mount sensor light, PRR sensor light that you hang up on low ceilings, anywhere that has 110 volt hardwire. It's a 110 volt system. And what we're going to go do is open up the product and show you what you get inside. 30,000 hours of use with the remote control, 1800 watt with a low light, 2000 Kelvin and more. It is plastic housing. It comes protected with foam with the instruction guide. To learn further about your product, please read the instructions provided. On the remote control, 2 AAA batteries not included. Infrared, red LED, on and off, low light, night light. The buttons separated of the joystick, you have positive and negative to increase, decrease light. You have the Kelvin choice that goes around in cycles, the automatic PIR sensor and trigger, the adjustments for triggering and negative, positive. You have a timer of 30, 120, and 5 minutes, a reset, and a lighting button. When you want to turn the light on 100%, that is the lighting button. It disables the PIR sensor. So what we're going to go do now is show you the plastic cover, the PIR sensor, the light area of night light, and all the tools you need is a light box. Screws and hardwire are included, a Phillips screwdriver. You have your ground, load and neutral, and a leash, so when hanging, it won't fall. Please check online for further details about the product or products you are after and what they offer. And what we're going to do is show you how to hang up at the light box over here. With the plastic round adapter and the number of holes of choice you have, here's the hanging clip. That's right here. So we're going to place in our existing bolt or the bolts that they offer to the light box. Simply place through your lead and start to carefully lock down gently. As the screw goes on, we'll start to tighten down. Adjust, align, and lock. As we look for the leash holder, we simply slide, match up, and snap on and let hang. We look for our load for load, neutral for neutral, and we lock down. All we need to do is match up the light by pressing up and rotating on. We're all set up. Please shut off anything that is around. Let's turn on the main light and shut off all lights. This is the 1800 watt at default. On a hardwired switch, you could turn off and on the light. Off and on. The first button is the right-hand button. It turns on the night light. On the wall switch shutting off and on, it remembers the last setting. To shut off the main 1800 watt light, point and press the button. We can increase and decrease the night light by holding down the dim button. We could turn back on the main light by hitting the main button over here. We have the timer. The timers are self-explanatory. We have the PIR sensors. Let's hit the PIR sensor. It gave a flash. Let's shut off any other light and walk away. As I'm out of the way and let the light shut down after so many seconds, it's defaulted for about a minute's time as I'm by the staircase and walking towards the light area. It triggers on depending on the height you have the light hung up. You can decrease the time or increase the time on the remote control. Pressing over here on the remote control, and I'll get close so we can see if it's blinking or not. I'm going to hold it down because I don't know what the minimum is. And then I'm going to step away and see how long it takes to shut down. It's taken about 30 seconds to shut down as I walk into the area. It triggers a little closer. We have in the center the Kelvin changes from warm, medium, cool, and back to warm. This is the remote control. You have on the right side, as you hit, it blinks. And then you have on the left side that you could shut off the night light and back on the main light. Check online for further details. The remote control doesn't have anything metal. It will not hold on to metal. It doesn't have a cradle, so you'll put it beside the light. It is a night light, a regular light, a PR light that you put in anywhere imaginable. Not 1, 2, 3, or 4. So you can light up the area as you walk and will shut off in a timely manner. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you're looking for in the PIR Sensor Light Kit as a night light, a 2-in-1 light or more.